It happens suddenly, that warm trickle you feel before you even see the blood, and nosebleed. The first instinct for many is a bit of panic, and then to tilt your head all the way back. Stop. Don't do that. It's the single biggest mistake people make, and it can cause you to choke or swallow blood, which will just irritate your stomach. The key to handling this correctly is to stay calm. Anxiety can actually raise your blood pressure and make the bleeding worse, so take a breath. Now, sit upright and lean slightly forward. This is crucial. It ensures the blood drains out of your nose instead of down your throat. Next, use your thumb and index finger to firmly pinch the soft, fleshy part of your nose, right below the bony bridge. You need to squeeze it shut completely. Hold that pressure continuously for at least 10 to 15 minutes. No peeking. I know it's tempting, but every time you let go to check, you can disturb the clot that's trying to form. Set a timer on your phone if you have to. That continuous, uninterrupted pressure is what stops the bleed. While you're pinching, you can also apply a cold compress or a bag of frozen vegetables wrapped in a towel to the bridge of your nose. The cold helps constrict the tiny blood vessels in the area, slowing the flow of blood and helping the clot to form faster. And whatever you do, resist the urge to stuff tissues or cotton balls deep into your nostril. Shoving things up there can irritate the delicate lining and might even pull the newly formed clot out when you remove it, starting the whole process over again. You're just applying firm, direct external pressure. That's the most effective method. So why did this even happen? The most common culprit by far is dry air. Winter heating, arid climates, and even high altitudes can dry out your nasal membranes, making them brittle and easy to damage. Other common causes are as simple as blowing your nose too forcefully, picking it, or nasal inflammation from allergies or a cold. Certain medications, especially blood thinners like aspirin or anticoagulants, can also make you more susceptible. So to prevent the next one, the strategy is simple: add moisture. Using a saline nasal spray a few times a day is an excellent way to keep your nasal passages hydrated. A small dab of petroleum jelly applied gently just inside your nostrils with a cotton swab can also create a protective barrier, especially before you go to sleep. If you live in a dry climate, running a humidifier in your bedroom at night can make a huge difference, adding moisture back into the air you breathe for hours. Also, consider your diet. Foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and bell peppers, help build strong, resilient blood vessels. And vitamin K, found in leafy greens like spinach and kale, is essential for your body's blood clotting process. Now, almost all nosebleeds are harmless, but you should seek medical attention if the bleeding doesn't stop after 20 minutes of applying constant pressure, or if the bleeding is incredibly heavy. If your nosebleed started after a fall or a significant head injury, that warrants an immediate trip to a doctor. Frequent nosebleeds, meaning more than once or twice a week, are also a reason to get checked out. The same goes for nosebleeds that come with other strange symptoms like dizziness, fatigue, or easy bruising on other parts of your body. These could be signs of an underlying issue that needs attention. But for that common annoying nosebleed, you're now fully prepared. Sit up, lean forward, pinch, and breathe. It's a simple, effective process that puts you in control, turning a moment of alarm into a manageable inconvenience.